Hey guys, I'm Dr. Padlock. I own Physio, Orthopedics, and Performance over in Cuyahoga Falls. I wanted to talk about safety for your shoulders with pull-ups today. Pull-ups, bar muscle-ups, chest to bar, butterfly, whatever it happens to be, anything overhead when you're in the hang position, toes to the bar. If you're thinking this is your bar that you're grabbing onto, when that bar is overhead, your cue should be to take that bar and to break it in half. So I'm overhead, I take the bar, I snap it in half, I pitch my shoulder blades back. In this position, your shoulder is simulating external rotation, or this position, which is the safest closed pack position you can put that shoulder. It's putting everything on tension and holds you into a position where everything that's usually very dynamic and fluid is in its safest position. We're going to have the most likely to resist trauma and not have impingement or rotator cuff tears or labral tears or anything happen to you in that position. So when you are hanging from that bar, whatever you're doing, think about breaking the bar in half and pinching your shoulder blades back. You're in the tightest, safest position you can be in.